Hello everyone. Welcome back, guys, with Handmade cover channel at Story. I wish you a very happy day. Health and happiness. I will continue to share with you today an exciting handcrafted woodworking journey from rudimentary wood panels until completed into a beautiful and useful product. Follow me and accompany me throughout the entire process. Next is material selection. Choose the right wood for durability and beauty. Each type of wood will produce different results. About durability and aesthetics. Now we're starting to cut. Wood forming according to the predetermined design. For cut carefully to avoid material waste and ensure precision. After cutting is forming step 2. Smooth and edit details. Make the product more beautiful and professional. Next is drilling the holes required for assembly. Drilling requires high precision. Let the details fit together. Next is joinery, where different wooden components are joined together. It's used to connect wood parts together. Good connection will make the product strong and durable. Before the final assembly, we carefully perform a dry fit to ensure every component aligns perfectly. We'll do the fitting to check the fit. This step helps to detect errors before gluing or permanently fixed. Once everything is correct, we proceed to the complete assembly. Assembly helps the individual details become a complete product. After installation, we start sanding the entire surface. Sanding helps remove rough edges and smooth the product. Next is surface treatment. Cleaning and preparation for finishing step. This step helps the finishing layer to grip more firmly and evenly. For after finishing, we check the details of each part. Ensure no defects or unsatisfactory surface. Final inspection helps to ensure product quality. We test for aesthetic certainty and the overall finishing. And finally, the finished product, when the wood is completely finished. From rudimentary wood panels, it's now a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. And your friends can too. There are two options. One is to have a natural chair, or you can remove extra mattresses. It's made of natural materials to make it feel more comfortable to sit. It is now a complete product. Please take a look. Thank you for watching.